Click this icon to configure your counter. Click here to configure the main counter. Enter the total number of rows of your project. If needed, add an approximation of the average number of stitches per row. Add comments that will appear at a specified row. Don't forget to save. Click here to add other counters. Add as many counters as you want. Indicate when the counter should reset, if you want to follow a repetitive action. Link to increase automatically with global counter or unlink for manual incrementation. Add reminders if needed. And save. Configure counters for different parts of your project. Duplicate your settings on a new part, set as current part or delete. Activate widget to use over other apps. You can drag the widget where you want.